Welcome to another video on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in online mode in Python in my case. You can also program it using RoboPro, but considering the fact that I'm using Linux as on the controller, but also on my main computer, I'm using Python. The robot is equipped with active sonar and 2 touch sensors with an LED to signal direction change and a propeller to show that the algorithm is running. It is always a surprise how it will boot. So let's connect the to the battery. Boot and see whatever happens. Hopefully I can connect using both RoboPro and SSH terminal, because online mode is using is done via SSH secure shell. Okay, that is one thing. Now let's go here, and here should be fine. First, testing RoboPro. Change to the good IP address. I'm using the community firmware, which enables me to use my own IP address for this robot. Using the standard firmware, I have to use the TXT controller as a DHCP host, so it gives an IP address, but now I can set my own one. And it still says RoboPro says there is an error. I can't connect. No, I can't connect, so let's use SSH. That responds with the request for password, and I'm in. So I'm doing that for the second shell as well. Opening source code, and now I will put it right there and see whatever is going to happen. So I have to adjust the camera angle a bit. And let's run. Starting the Python program, and well, there you see already the course change. Which doesn't make any sense, because it should drive in a straight line. But so let's end this, and apply the changes that I decided to last time in the algorithm. So well, looking at screencast desktop, source code, output, and of course the camera, and RoboPro, that doesn't make sense. So this is with RoboPro and its correct IP address. How do I know it's correct? Well, I'm using the same IP address for logging in with SSH, and that clearly works. And this does not work for some unknown reason. Anyway, then it doesn't matter that I pull this all the way through. And so I can see whatever I'm doing in the better way, and this doesn't matter, but let's do it this way. Alright, so what I was talking about is part of the code that I applied last time, which is right here, and that part of the code is this part. And the whole problem is that although last time I set the distance between this one and here about 60 centimeters, it completely ignored it, and it went on with this part of the function of the algorithm. And here it still has not that same part of the code, so I have to bring it in. Will that be easy? Well, depends on okay. Remaining distance, I have still to set it in, I think. Yes, I still have to put that in. What I also see is that I am doing something wrong here. These two lines should be after time sleep. Right here. Because this is just a block for the motor. The data begin, data end, and time sleep. So this should be outside. This is better. So with this set and done, is this still doing okay? Yep, and I should start to put this part of the code down there. Let's start with 5 lines. Going here and alright, so it has distance, wait, this is distance 55, which is correct, yes. And see here, remaining distance, this has to change, so this will have to be 30-35. Question is, this one, is this the same? And now it starts a bit strange, because I can't live compare. I have to find a solution for that. I I have to scroll up and down, and that's not nice. But let's save this and see what I can do. Right, using the command less, I took the code for 55 to 60 on this side. I can just quit it, and this is the actual code, new code, which is not correct, by the way, because I see I made a mistake, and I have to go to line 800. Let's see what, no, 800, and oh, this is way too far. And okay, this is not accurate at all, I think, but what I need to show I have to go way down to 55 and 60, which is here, and this is where I forgot to replace this by distance left, so I still have to do that. And here as well. This is better. Now I can leave this and I can test. So I now have to turn the robot around. This is more than 30 centimeters. But let's see, this is about 19. Let's see, this is 19, then this is 20, no 40, just about, and then this is some 50 centimeters. Alright, let's go. This should work. And by the way, it's with malfunctioning Robot Pro, it's the only way to see how far the battery is gone. Yeah, like this makes any sense. Battery is 8.4 volts. I can still go on. Let's view the data. And now I have to find and yes, I have data distance left. This is the first 1400. Really? Wait. How is that possible? How can it be that it goes through this twice? And it still gives 1400. That doesn't make any sense at all. it's even exactly the same. Oh wait, I've made a mistake here. I have made a mistake because here I put it and here I do it exactly the same thing. This must be remaining distance. Yes, that's better. This is distance and here I have remaining distance. Okay, I have to do it again. So, put it back into place and try again. But before trying again, let's try RoboPro again. Nope, no such thing. Okay. Go. Whatever the distance is. And it stops with 8,3 volts data, and I look for distance left. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, this kind of makes sense, or does it? Nothing found. Okay, so there's only two instances of it. And for now, I would love to have this multiple instances instead of one instance, because then if it passes it more than once, even in circles, you know that it has subtracted. Right now I can't even confirm that. So let's put it again. Let's make it, well, it has put now in this distance 35 centimeters, so it runs forward, right forward, and then does it. So with 10 centimeters, which is about here, it runs forward and then starts acting like an idiot. So that will be fine then. Go. And another thing is, of course, it keeps measuring while driving. Alright, now I should have some data at least. So let's examine. No, typo. Okay, so this is one. Here it enters it again. Iteration 31. Or is it? It says sonar. Oh, it's not iteration 31. It's 31 centimeters. My bad. So if I go up here, 35 centimeters. I'm fine. 1400. Then it goes again into it and it says again 1400. That I don't believe. Okay, anything else? It measures again 35 centimeters, so it comes in, and it drives, and it stays 1400. By this one you can tell it goes into this if statement, if condition, each time again. This is the first line it encounters. So the distance cannot be 1400 anymore. Impossible. Something is going very wrong. Question is, of course, what, where, how? And yes, that's something I need to find out. Otherwise my whole distance measurement, counter measurement, distance measurement is either my algorithm is off or the API is malfunctioning massively. And considering my earlier test, I think the latter. I start thinking the API is off somehow. And unfortunately this doesn't work. Oh, I know some solution. Wait, what if I start it again? So, yep, starting. It will be full screen this time, yes, but it doesn't matter. Little, and go with this, and all I have to do is check for this. Yeah, still the same, 133. Measurement, no, forget it. Can't make contact. What to do? Well, I may have made a mistake in coding. Because here I initialize distance left and I set it on 1400. However, that doesn't take away that things should have taken different. Anyway, this is going away and I will put it right here. No. And then like this, and here I say distance left. Same thing here. Okay, for the remaining time let's do something like, do I have here still some 1400 left? No, distance left. Everything is now distance left. Well, for at least this kind of distance. So, save. No, this. Oops, yeah, that corrects. It goes well within the 35 centimeters, but it keeps running. Alright, let's stop and let's view. Distance left. $1,400, $1,400. And the battery is going low, but it's still exactly the same thing. Makes no sense at all. So something is very, very wrong somehow. But time is running out now. So I have to start a serious debugging next time on the 1400. So be it. So apart from the code changes, I have to do serious debugging because the 1400 should change and it doesn't. So somewhere I forget something. Anyway, I hope it did improve. Well, a bit at least. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please donate to keep the videos coming your way. You can donate via PayPal and Wired. More information on my website. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Your name will be mentioned on my website. And depending on the pledge, also with my videos. So thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Have a nice day and bye bye.